Welcome to Learn Languages with Elba Brandes. Last lesson, we were talking about you are still on the plane. Let's imagine that you already ate and a few hours pass. You already drink something. So after a few hours, you hear this announcement. Attach votre ceinture de sécurité, s'il vous plaît. L'avion est sur le point d'atterrir. That means you're going to put your seatbelt, and then because the plane is about to land. So after that, you just wait for your more minutes, and you will hear another announcement. Bienvenue à Paris. That means welcome to Paris, for example. Or you can see that you are already in a foreign country, but first you gotta pick up the luggage. Don't forget your carry-on, and if you have an extra luggage, you gotta go listen to the announcement,